Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Vitaly Kurchin, top gun rights lawyer in Washington State. In this video, I will explain the procedure for appealing a denial issued by Washington State Patrol's SAFE firearms background check system. I'll discuss how an appeal works, when you should file one, and how to do so. Stay tuned. Receiving a denial can be a frustrating, confusing, and embarrassing experience. You may have been purchasing firearms successfully for years, only to be denied suddenly. With the advent of the new Washington State Patrol SAFE background check system, this experience is not uncommon. I'm not going to get into all the reasons why you may be denied in this video. I have a separate video about that. You can watch it by clicking the link above or in the description below. In my experience of dealing with the SAFE system since its inception in July 2023, the system has a quite low error rate and denials are usually accurate. A lot of people don't even realize that they're prohibited from possessing a firearm. A prohibition can stem from something that happened a very long time ago, something that happened as a juvenile, or something that happened in a different state. Even if you were previously approved on background checks, you may be flagged on a SAFE check because the SAFE system has access to more records than other agencies previously had. Again, you can watch my other video for more information. Thankfully, there is no cost or downside to filing an appeal. If you are denied, you should file an appeal in all cases. The reason you want to appeal the denial is because even if the denial was correctly issued, you can win the appeal and have the denial overturned if you clear up whatever is causing your prohibition. The State Patrol will keep your appeal active while you work on clearing up the issue. Your dealer will have given you this paperwork, which explains the appeal process. This paperwork warns you that your name will be entered into a denial database for a period of 6 years, and that if you don't want your name to be entered into such a database, you must appeal your denial. You can initiate the appeal by filling out the identity verification form provided to you by your dealer and having it notarized. Your bank can probably provide you with free or low-cost notary services. You will then email the notarized form along with a copy of your ID to the email address on the form. It is very important that you check the box that says your preferred method of communication is email. Do not check the box for phone or US mail. The fastest and most efficient way to receive the reason for your denial is to receive it by email. You can then easily forward that email to me for review. This relatively simple appeal process is a significant improvement over the cumbersome and complicated appeal process that the FBI utilizes. Quickly, I'd like to clear up one misconception about denials, which is that if your name is placed into the denial database, you will continue to be denied for the next 6 years. That is not correct. If you fix whatever caused your denial, you can resume your firearm possession and purchases. And if you fix the issue in a timely manner, you can have the denial overturned and your name removed from the denial database. Finally, I want to touch on the more dire consequences of a denial. By law, State Patrol will report your denial to the Association of Police Chiefs and Sheriffs. The Association of Police Chiefs and Sheriffs will then forward the denial to the local police in the jurisdiction where the purchase attempt occurred. Depending on resources and priorities of enforcement, the local police may or may not further investigate the denial and potentially refer criminal charges to the local prosecutor's office for attempted unlawful possession of a firearm or false swearing. The good news is that there are steps you can take to mitigate this damage. The best step is to start the process of clearing up whatever it is that caused the denial. Whether it's termination of a protection order, the restoration of your firearm rights after a criminal conviction, or the clearing of an old warrant. Do not sit on a denial. Take action right away. The longer you wait, the guiltier you will later look. Those who take immediate action to rectify their prohibition will be treated more leniently if charges are ever filed. Better yet, don't attempt a firearm purchase if you think there may be anything in your past that could cause a denial. State Patrol does not offer pre-check services, but my office does free consultations and we can usually give you a quick and accurate answer. You're welcome to check with us if you have any doubts. If you receive a denial, the first thing you need to do is file an appeal. The second thing you need to do is contact my office for a free consultation. We have helped thousands of people navigate Second Amendment landmines, and we can help you too. We will evaluate your needs and get you taken care of in a timely manner so that you can have your denial overturned and continue exercising your constitutional right to defend yourself and your family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.